Asem Yi Di Ka. Asem Yi Di Ka. Asem Yi Di Ka.
Inna Beka.
Akwasi Insia.
Commander 6.
KNUST SHS.
Yeah, the editor so out so nyina so man kana be fa ne to mapade fra na enyenye ba atena ese tememu ade hye yempa bo nyina so man Ghana be yeye na de be sab yankoso akoya nkoa amfa ma obi man ya afa ye free age anko sesi obi man so ne emfa yankokora bo metena man mu yempa bo ne esu nyina so yankopom me yempa ne fu akodro oye kodro honhom eno man ho dadwen papa so bedwen Ghana me dey akwasi Asem Yi Di Ka bre and adu se fara se koma Kingdom Herbal Center o me na kofa Kingdom Galibites the Kingdom Gali capsules dia badwa so na fa no sinchen Kingdom New Kingdom Jense Power capsules evra de nyam udo odim ena no pay ye exercise bi ano pay ye ko pharmacy shop neto New Kingdom Jense Power capsules no o de tobacco ento bebre baako fakofi na enwumra ade eche a maybe efo na na de ni nkobo evra de nyam New Kingdom Jense Power capsules etina owura mo fa yin se eye mema ngo aduro no me so de anopai tobacco ba ento mienu mesrew tobacco New Kingdom Jense Power capsules be ma tobacco okwasi pe New Kingdom Jense Power capsules ne baako na le fakofi enwumre so me tem udi dru fia ya ka beto aso kenka ho keke o ma baby eto do bia kwa so beka bia to at 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or see no challenge apart mama Ghana education for statement no so edi komodi afa KNUST SHS headmaster in charge of academics here GES actually since check Accra because it's what we are DBS effort. So this is a statement that Ghana Education Service depend for a day a buy. Or say assistant headmaster academic of KNUST Senior High School, Mr. Charles A. Adom, removed from office. 1. The attention of the management of the Ghana Education Service was drawn to a viral video circulating on social media allegedly involving Mr. Charles Akwasi Adom, the assistant headmaster academic of KNUST Senior High School, in a compromised position with a female student. 2. Management views this matter with utmost seriousness, in line with our commitment to safeguarding the integrity of the teaching profession and ensuring the safety and welfare of students under our care. Mr. Adom has already been removed from office and prohibited from going to the school while thorough investigations are being carried out. Management assures the general public, stakeholders, parents, and students that the process will be followed and the appropriate disciplinary action will be taken in accordance with the Code of Conduct of GES. At the Ghana Education Service for, I said, Mr. Papa B. Owura Charles Akwasi Adom, or your assistant headmaster at KNUST Senior High School. Yes, so this school near by Bakoya Adia and Senfata. I did not know part of what video no. Na sad we maybe yes. So school near what I didn't and now assistant headmaster in here. It's no more in sa kwada ne ko assistant headmaster no office. And Robin in baby and Comodian court started fear and maybe ko Vietnam headmaster and son na kwada no fa no. Nepo no. The danger zone. And akwari so ni agin one on it to headmaster ne so. So, you say the headmaster no eh ne dia. Eh either say wakama na fada. And also okay Friday no person fasting and say free home. Eti headmaster adwe nyina say also touch akwari baby move akwari 10. It won't akwari na agisa. Then you have a plan young which ya and ye. Aquadat headmaster, a miami and nepo. Then you actually trimusa. Eti, what I said, Aquano, a kissy headmaster, and so on it's home. Headmaster near Sakura. And now, Aquadana, a kissy headmaster, no, I went to. Asem Kanaba, Laura Bright up here, executive director of Child Rights International Ghana. Ora apia so ti bi ka pacho on mute boko de. Apa ni bright apia pacho on mute na eni komo. Hello sir. Hello.
Yeah, me chonka.
Apa ni bright apia.
Hello.
E pacho on mute na yetimi ni komo. Okay, pacho maintaining
Hello.
and I had off from.
Okay.
Oh. Maintain right at me and come cry, maintaining.
But me chonka.
Oh, right up here, pacho, so what called there?
Nyame adom na wo so e.
Yeah, the Yamia city, but I had a off for Mumia Mammy. But I'm yasi. Na, sir, animal to ya GES at tree. Yebeka said the class one, and I said, I'll see a more than this.
Oh, I say more than this because Osha the history of Ghana Education Service in same bis about let us say no much difference be any. I say template be na or try to on assemble no makotamna almost the same thing almost the etro because the letter that they've issued in the past is not different from what they have stated in here. The letter now, Osha letter now, the first, they are informing us that they are giving assurance on investigation. They are giving assurance that the right of children will be protected, which for me, is also another matter altogether. But yes, send your one cause a woman description, the Osha video near. The relationship between Akorade and assistant headmaster, you could see is cordial, depending on the motive, cordial. And again, also, the age of the child will determine whether it's a healthy relationship or not. And these are things that I say yet to be taken into consideration, in a sense that the empathy come pa na I say nyama mienu bi na say etimide atudwa say teacher ni na wo kire nkora na de no ne senior ni beka the standard of care o ni akora no say na we use na for over the years.
Okay.
And I say the professional conduct now or no as a teacher no or kwan ben so no wa fa so etimi use over the years because your assistant headmaster, which means what charge your classroom there over the years, and son I ever appointed as assistant headmaster. And it clearly, and also one position, you could see a baby a wire man to
okay, it's me to us see and I mean you want to end Sibonia. Can it be said any afraid young quiet near question a past record, say or any record in relation to say or name kwada any trakabiana?
Oh, certainly, because I don't know the terms of reference for my committee number investigation.
Okay.
But however, they have to go back to do proper investigation because they were man and were relaxing. She tells me say because for a teacher in that position to allow a camera to be put on you, it means something that has gone on several times, and I can also guarantee that Akrano, that's the teacher only headmaster encounter.
Okay.
It tell you there's a lot of things that we want to go into it, but what we need to measure, and it should be a subject for discussion, has to do with the professional conduct and then the standard of care that teachers for us or more about it by within our school system.
Will you then suggest yen dismissing the cry?
You see, dismissal, and it's a code of conduct dismissing a bit because code of conduct no more. In this particular circumstance, the best that they can do is someone transfer teacher.
Okay, on the transfer.
On the transfer.
Oh, that's transfer. That's Subani transfer.
And only as some number may basis here. So the issue of operating within the code of conduct as a way of punishing teacher will not be enough because all that we are doing is transfer nipa no efi school we must waja and the why you do the end of the ko baby fufu na ko to aso. And we see that over and over again. There are teachers that have been transferred from the north based on certain misconduct. Or my background, or my other schools. They are repeating the same thing. The issue of depending on the code of conduct. No, for me, no, it's not. I think, sir, near or man yet me and say, yes, safeguarding policy for our same school system. No, as yet me able to contribute.
Okay.
Now. Yeshemu de. Then you be will not only transfer the teacher, no, but would also administer punishment.
Yeah, that's it. Right up here. So when you brand up any actually encomo, Executive Director Edma Child Rights International Ghana, open it right up here, and I'm to say any trick. Mini Heka, who expect to be a mini Heka. Koto Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. You make catch the one. Koto Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Bema. Part of Freaking for 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 Kingdom or no challenger. Asem Yi Di Ka, the Acquatisia, any person mu etwaso.